hi guys.
Anyway, it's not Kyle's birthday yet. It's happy birthday. Cheers. It's my birthday. Yeah. It's her birthday on December. Oh. You're weird. So anyways, welcome to the Meg and Abby show. Minus Abby.
Welcome to Meg's show.
What? Okay, so today is my birthday. Yeah. Today is today. It's April 8th. Yeah. So we're shooting this video, and I want to see if these nitwits really know. I'm not a nitwit. Dimwit. Okay. So.
They're just
Okay, so easy. Let's see if you know me. What's my favorite color? No! Red. Very good. 1 point for my mind. Okay. What's my favorite animal? Cat. No? No?
flower.
Okay. I don't have a favorite animal because I'm afraid of dogs. Yeah. I don't know if you have a dog. Yeah, but I'm afraid. You know, the smaller the dog, the more the bigger the dog. The bigger the dog, the more. But yeah, but dogs are scary. We have puppies. No. I'm gonna cry if I have one. So cute.
Yeah. Mine's always on my arm. It's like invisible part of your body. Every time when I carry it, it's
okay, never mind. Okay, next. We're gonna move on to the thing. What is my favorite song?
something by Netflix or something that's erotic.
Like what?
Like Google Man.
That's Broadway. That's Annie. My goodness. Oh. Like sorry. Memory. Very good. This is my favorite Broadway song. You. What's my favorite song? That's not Broadway.
Oh, I know. It's something, I don't know.
Yeah, I like English. Never mind. My favorite song changes every day. Right now, I don't have a favorite song, but I like It's okay. So next. What is my favorite fruit?
I don't know.
I guess.
Banana.
No, I like apple. I like mango.
Haha, like me.
Really?
Oh. Yeah.
Now we have a special guest. We have a special guest. David Beckham.
No, it's Teddy.
No, it's David Beckham. Okay, so anyways, I've been wanting to meet him. But I was here. The rest of my, earlier days of my life, so I saw him in This is Ella.
Baby sister.
Yeah. That's what I want to see. I want to see David Archuleta. I want to see David Archuleta. Can you call David Archuleta? David! Wait a minute. We're calling David Archuleta.
He's probably out picking his nose like the Timmy he is.
Look everybody! David Archuleta!
That's Timmy!
No, it's Timmy Crush. Come on, David. You can do it. Younger days. Okay, David Archuleta's a brat.
What are you, traveling from time?
Let's do David Beckham and David Archuleta. And then David Barchuleta.
David Barchuleta.
Look! We have an Oompa-Loompa here somewhere. I can't see it.
What's yung palumpa? Right?
This is Ben David. Oh, Binder.
Okay, we will show you. Wait, this is not the Oompa-Loompa. Here's the Oompa-Loompa. Say hi, Oompa.
Hi. I made it. Oh.
see Posh?
Posh.
Look, Steven, I will show you who Posh is, Dave.
Are you still annoying?
Look, it's Posh!
No, not Posh.
Look, it's Posh! Posh teeth. Yo, what's that?
Posh. And this is Paul. Paul. You Paul and Posh.